Okay, ma'am. Now okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now please all of you
Now
go on
visible,
mute.
ma'am.
Okay. So good morning, students. So we all have come here for the virtual internship on our first chapter, which is the about the company. So I'll be covering two companies today. Okay. So I'll be asking you few questions. So please do answer in between. Bindya, I'm allowed to ask, right? Bindya?
Yes, Bhumika, you can.
Yeah. So without any further ado, let's start with the first this thing. So today the companies which will be covering, the first company would be, I'm audible enough na Bindya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You
Yes,
are
yes,
audible.
yes.
Can you speak in Hindi?
Okay, let it keep it mix English and Hindi. ठीक है Bindya, or you want only Hindi?
Yes, both the language, but try with English only because we have students from South. So they will not be able to understand in Hindi.
Okay, fine. So let's start with today's presentation. I request all of you to please mute your.
Please, English. Yes, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं. I'll try to make it Hindi and English both so that I can repeat in both. Don't worry. Okay. So आप सब लोगों से निवेदन है, please आप सब लोग mute कीजिए. So I request all of you to please mute your system. And two key rules in all my sessions. So firstly, whenever all my sessions are always a dialogue, not a monologue. मतलब it's not कि सिर्फ मैं ही बात करती रहूंगी, आप लोग भी आंसर करेंगे. So whenever you answer, just a request, you tell your name and then answer. Yeah. Okay. So with that, and I request all of you to be on mute. And after my session, then the floor is open for doubts. Okay. Okay, so let's start. So today, first company which we would be going through would be Max Fashion. Okay, क्या आप सब लोगों ने सुना है? कभी गए हो? ये इसका लिया है कुछ हमने प्रोडक्ट? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, no, ma'am.
Okay, no, ma'am. Okay. So whoever said yes, क्या लिया है? इसमें क्या मिला? मतलब what have you taken? Which product you have taken?
Apparels.
Clothes. T-shirts.
Okay, clothes, apparels. Okay, so अच्छी लगती है ये brand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how frequently you take? मतलब यही brand लेते हो या this is one of the brands you take?
This is one of the brand.
One of the brand.
One of
Okay, and last one question before, क्यों मतलब क्यों हम लोग यही मतलब आपको ये brand पसंद है? One of the brand में भी आपका क्यों choice है ये?
It's
I
quite
think
reasonable. I like it is quite
plus
budget
good
friendly.
quality.
Oh, okay. I repeat my question again in English. Why do you choose Max, one of your favorites? So I'm asking. So आप लोगों ने बोला good quality. Anything else?
It's
And
reasonable.
reasonable
It's not
price.
that costly.
Okay, it's reasonable. Okay. So thank you so much for all of your answer. किसी और का कुछ और out of the box answer है? मतलब reasonable हुआ, good quality हुआ, anything else?
Collection is more.
Okay, so we have lots of variety, right? You're trying to say.
ma'am.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, one fundamental key role, students, I like the people answering name and your answer so that I can acknowledge you. Yeah. Yeah. What's your name? Hello. Yeah, someone was saying ma'am. Hello.
Oh, ma'am. My name is Vinay.
Yeah, Vinay, please tell.
The store is near my house.
Oh, the store is near your house. So you often visit. मतलब आप बार-बार जाते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you want to say something about the store or something?
I visit the store often because the store is near my house,
Okay.
and the price are pocket friendly.
Sorry, I can't hear. What did you say?
Price of the apparel for clothes are pocket friendly.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything
इतना ही था.
else?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Tausif Ahmad.
Yeah, Tausif, please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm telling about the Max. It's a group of landmark,
Very
and
good. Impressive.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And Max is a store which selling apparel,
Yeah.
household items.
Okay.
In that store, we are selling boys, men's,
Yeah. Men's.
girls,
Yeah. Yeah.
ladies, accessories, lingeries,
Yeah.
bath, and household items,
Okay.
infant. All the item is selling under this brand,
Okay.
and it's came under the Landmark group.
Okay.
And mostly the Max uh, is now his its store is in India. Before they are operating in Gulf countries.
Very nice. Very,
Okay.
very nice, Tausif. Yeah.
Mm.
Very nice. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, right. So,
So
would you
and
like to
it's
answer
it's
when it came in India?
uh, around 20. I don't know, ma'am.
No,
But
ma'am.
before they
It's
are
okay.
operating
But yeah, yeah, yeah.
in
It
Gulf
was in
countries.
UAE. Yes, it was operating in
Yeah,
UAE.
UAE, yeah, KSA and Oman, Bahrain, and all Latin countries.
Okay, very nice. Thank you so much for telling so much about the company. So thank you all my students for answering. So let's keep it this much interactive. So I am very happy my students are very interactive. So moving ahead, I would like all of you to mute and then we will again jumble up on the new question. Okay. So, company history and profile, just like Tausif said, it was launched in UAE in May 2004. Okay, so before coming to India, it was in the Gulf countries or UAE. But in India, it came in 2006, opening its first store in Indore. So, Max came to India, its first store was in Indore. So now Max has reached that extends over to 60 cities in India. So हमारा ये जो Max का ये हमारा stores है, it has more than 60 cities in India में है. It has loyal customer base of 5.5 million. Loyal customer मतलब students मतलब ऐसे तो लोग जाते ही है मतलब कोई ना कोई, but loyal means repeat customer. So 5.5 million go on and on because it's one of their favorite brands, just like as you said. And it has been most profitable value fashion format in the region. Okay, so now coming to what Max offers. So we all Toship was telling so many other items like, so Max offers apparel, footwear, accessories for the entire family. ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ women या सिर्फ men या सिर्फ children. So it offers these all three items. I repeat: apparel, footwear, accessories for entire family, women, men, and children. So customers, when you go, can expect a world-class environment. So the ambience is so good in international fashion around the globe. So there is lots of designs, lots of creativity, and lots of different brands kept there, as well as Mac's own in-house brands are also there with lovely designs. So shoppers can enjoy excellent range of over more than 3,000 styles every season. So every season they try to launch something, they try to bring something new with the brand new designs, brand new fabrics, and it's really, you get so much good variety, and it's a one-stop solution. Like if you want to buy something in terms of apparel, footwear, accessories, everything is there in that particular store. Okay, now moving next, let's understand the product line. So अभी product line में हमने briefly समझा कि apparel, footwear और accessories. So let's delve in deep. So product lines, as you can see, women, men, boys, and girls. So so women में, so it has all types: formal, informal, sportswear, winterwear, the nightwear, the ethnic wear, accessories, shoes. Okay, men's maybe tops, bottoms, sportswear, winterwear, accessories, and shoes. Okay. Okay. Just a simple silly question to all of you. Men's में accessories क्या होगा? Women में तो earrings and all होगा. Men में क्या होगा? What will be the accessories for men?
Watches, goggles,
Watches, glasses,
Goggles,
Perfumes, wallet, watches, sunglasses.
perfume.
Okay.
Bracelets.
Very nice. I'm impressed. Yes, it's watches. You can even take it as couplings. This
Sunglasses.
okay, goggles. Yeah, yeah.
Keychain holders, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. My students are really intelligent today. So, so that was men category. Then boys, again we have tops, bottoms, Indian wear, winter wear, the essentials, the accessories, and the shoes. Okay. And for girls also again, it has formal and informal wear. Apart, and also it has tops, bottoms separately. It can be pants, it can be pajamas, etc. Essentials, then accessories and shoes. Okay. So, guys, those who have visited Max store, matlab, people said, come have. So you have seen all these products there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So you remember, so it's like a one-stop solution, right? अगर मुझे कुछ खरीदना है, मतलब कोई dresses कुछ घर के लिए कुछ खरीदना है या दिवाली shopping, gifting कुछ खरीदना है, so what I can do, I can just go to the store and everything is there at one floor itself, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So not
Yes, ma'am.
only that,
Under one.
I get the matching shoes also or matching accessories also, है ना? And girls are quite particular, right? कि मतलब हमें वो matching अगर मैंने pink dress लिया तो उसके साथ matching earrings भी लेंगे, matching shoes, sandals भी लेंगे, right, girls? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we match the stuff, right? So एक साथ ही एक ही जगह पे है. So we don't need to search somewhere to go to earring किधर है या shoes किधर है या sandals किधर, right? Okay.
Yes,
Moving
ma'am.
next. Perception of the company. Okay. So अभी when I asked you all guys कि मतलब why do you why Max is your favorite or Max मतलब why it is in your one of your top 10 list, मतलब आप लोगों ने सभी ने बोला कि affordable, cheap and all. So what we did was that we went to Google, we went on different sites to understand कि company perception क्या है. Okay. So so I am sharing with you few, but I want you also to come up with few. You understood, right? मेरे होने के बाद आप लोग भी कुछ words बोलेंगे. So I'll let's see. मिलके करते हैं exercise. Okay? So perception of the company. सबसे पहले, so all the reviews if you see and you about this Max company, we can understand that it's very affordable. Okay, so जो उसका pricing है, the pricing is really very good and people can really buy good stuff at a very good brand, good quality, at a very good price. Next, good quality, मतलब even if it is inexpensive or competitive rate या cheap भी है, but the quality is really very good. There is no compromisation on the quality. Next, there is lots and lots of variety. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही मतलब मेंस है, वुमेन्स है या लेडीज है, ये है तो थोड़ा ही रखा है. उन लोगों ने हर एक सेक्शन में, हर एक प्रोडक्ट लाइन में और हर एक, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर शर्ट ही हो तो उसमें इतने ब्रांड्स मिलेंगे, इतने डिजाइन्स मिलेंगे. सो वी हैव लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ चॉइसेस. नेक्स्ट, comfortable. So all the comfortable in terms of both, so the clothes और जो भी है वो भी, and even जब हम वो store जाते हैं, it's very comfortable to navigate कहाँ क्या है कैसे है, and you can easily go through and find your stuff. Then and in comfortable in terms of your clothes also, मतलब बहुत अच्छी होती है इनकी fitting and it's really nice and properly ऐसे alter बहुत कम करना पड़ता है, so alteration is very less. Next is durable. So durable मतलब क्या? So durable means you want to say durable, students? Durable क्या है?
Long
Yes,
lasting.
ma'am. Long time.
टिकाऊ. Yes. ये
Long
नहीं कि
lasting.
मतलब आप
Long
लोग को,
lasting, ma'am.
अच्छा long lasting, very good. So ये नहीं कि मतलब आप लोग में से मतलब ऐसे ही आप लोग गए और आप खरीदने गए, आपने ऑरेंज टॉप लाया और सडनली आपने उसे धोया तो पूरा कलर गया, ऑरेंज का व्हाइट हो गया. तो मतलब लॉन्ग लास्टिंग छोड़ो, कलर वाला सब गया और श्रिंक भी हो गया. तो इज दिस ड्यूरेबल प्रोडक्ट?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ड्यूरेबल प्रोडक्ट्स आर दोस्त जो वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, मतलब मैं इतनी बार भी धोने के बाद भी उसका एसेंस ना खोए, एटलीस्ट 4-5 साल तक, मतलब वो अच्छे से चले, फेड ना हो एंड मतलब श्रिंक ना हो उसकी डिजाइन्स वैसे ही इंटैक्ट रहे even after using it as much as possible, right? Then next is trendy. Okay, so trendy means क्या? That is मतलब
The
latest.
product which is used in this market.
Sorry, one by
Same
one.
from-
Name and your answer. Yeah. Hello.
Vijay.
Yeah, Vijay. Yeah.
Update.
Updated. Yeah. And next.
Fashion.
Okay. The fashion what?
Updated from Femina.
ट्रेंड में चल रहा हूँ
Updated shop Femina
From-
means?
Femina means the
Okay. Sorry. You can go ahead. Updated. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Rudra this side.
This is Rishabh. Yeah, Rishabh.
Rudra this side.
Rudradi. Yeah, please tell.
एक्चुअली ट्रेंडी होता है जो मार्केट में एक ट्रेंड चलता है, सो उस ट्रेंड के हिसाब से लोग कपड़े पहनते हैं एंड उस ट्रेंड को मैच करते हुए जो भी प्रोडक्ट आता है उसको ट्रेंडी हम कह सकते हैं.
Okay, so I have one more question for you. So अभी boys का क्या trend चल रहा है?
मैम
men's
पॉपुलर
का
भी
क्या
कह
trendy
सकते
चल
हैं
रहा है?
जो करंटली पॉपुलर हो.
Yeah, currently popular भी हो. Yeah, right. So one question for girls. One item which is currently trending like anything. मतलब वो चल ही रहा है, मतलब उसने काफी चीजों को रिप्लेस कर दिया. और बॉयज का क्या वन ट्रेंडी आइटम?
मैम इन क्लोथ स्ट्रेचेबल चल रहा है इस टाइम पे.
सॉरी, क्लोथ्स में क्या चल रहा है? कैन यू रिपीट?
स्ट्रेचेबल शर्ट्स एंड पैंट्स.
White
Casual.
sneakers.
I can't hear you. Hello.
हेलो
Yeah.
मैम स्ट्रेचेबल पैंट्स एंड शर्ट्स.
Stretchable pants and shirts. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, stretchable मतलब elastic वाले, right?
Nylon.
Ma'am, in apparels, ma'am, Yasha, in apparels, boot cuts are trendy.
Yasha, what? Apparels what?
Ma'am, in apparels, boot cuts, denims are trendy.
Okay, denims are trendy. Okay. Anything else?
White sneakers.
Ma'am, Swati.
Yeah, Swati.
Plus size t-shirts.
Plus size t-shirt. Yes, because everyone is in pandemic, तो सब लोग are relaxing, they're working from home और मतलब attending schools or whatever. So it's a very relaxed clothing अभी, क्योंकि office ज़्यादा नहीं जाना.
Plazos and loose jeans also.
Exactly. Yes, plazos trending है girls में, definitely. It has replaced leggings and all. मतलब I am a person who likes चूड़ीदार and leggings, so अभी वो बहुत ही rarity हो गई है. And plus plazos have even replaced the skirts. Long skirts भी थे ना बीच में. Okay. Anything else? किसी और को कुछ आंसर करना है?
मैम वाटरप्रूफ शॉर्ट्स.
Waterproof?
वाटरप्रूफ शॉर्ट मैम.
Okay.
यस मैम. मैम बेसिकली भी नहीं आई है.
अच्छा.
I mean, accessories, it is crossbody bags.
Accessories में क्या है? Sorry, your voice is cracking. Hello, what?
Crossbody bags.
What is that? Can you tell us?
Ma'am, it is used in traveling and all that. You can tie it on your waist or on your body like cross.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell.
Yeah, very good morning to you. I'm Anurag from Delhi, and this is the successive times I have been muted and denied this admission to the online meeting. It has been repeating. I have been complained to the Shet Kumar sir also.
Sorry, I couldn't understand why you're denied. We admit all the students. Now you're admitted, na Anurag? Hello? Hello, Anurag, are you there?
Please continue the class, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Bindia, please connect with Anurag and just check.
I have connected.
Yeah, thank you. So that was about trendy. और किसी को कुछ बोलना है trendy पे? Hello, yeah. Hello, yeah. Someone was speaking or we move ahead? Hello.
Yeah, my name is Anurag, ma'am. Ma'am, I am being denied this removed from this session twice.
No, it will not happen, Anurag. I've just told Bindya. I think there must be some network connectivity.
No,
I think
no.
someone has removed you, but I have added you.
No, I have been trying to ask some questions, but at the same time, somebody just muted my mic.
Okay, you can ask. What do you want to ask? Please ask.
No, what I want to ask was that you have taken up this MXX faction, but is it okay to go with this Big Bazaar, FBB?
Yeah, however, I'll be taking two companies, whichever you want to take. I'm just explaining you how to go about.
Yeah, because I have begun my work on this workbook.
Yeah, sure, you can take anything. That's okay.
Okay, not an issue. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, thank you so much, all my students, for the lovely answer. I also got to know many things. Thank you. You all are very updated. Now, the last one perception of the company is customer friendly. इसका मतलब क्या है भाई? Customer friendly मतलब in terms of what?
Ma'am, affordability and
Customer service, ma'am.
Yes, customer service. Yeah. So customer service now. Explain me online as well as offline. कैसे होगा बोलो? Customer friendly के terms पे.
Ma'am, in online they could be handling call centers and all. Offline.
Sorry, online call center. Please be a bit louder. I just heard.
Hassle free.
Hello, please go ahead.
Ma'am, it could be hassle free experience of a customer.
Hassle free. Yes. Perfect. Yes. मतलब अगर हमारा कोई प्रोडक्ट कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया है या मुझे कॉल सेंटर रीच करना है तो मैं आसानी से करूँ, ना कि ऐसा हो कि मतलब आई कॉल एक दबाओ फिर दो दबाओ फिर तीन दबाओ और इसके बाद 1 घंटा मैं ऐसे ही रुकी रहूं. किसी के साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि मतलब you have called the call center and you had to wait so much time?
Ma'am, it is a normal process of the call center.
Yes, ma'am.
So why it happens? Have you thought about it? Just offline this thing that is सब क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो कॉल सेंटर में जो लोग बिठाए गए हैं वो पे इतने इनफ नहीं है कि और हमेशा आता है ना कृपया व्यस्त है प्लीज रुके रहिए. The customer sales representative will attend you a short while and उसके बाद वो म्यूजिक बजाते हैं, है ना? That's because
मैम क्यू पे लगा देते हैं वो.
हाँ, म्यूट पे लगा देते हैं. अच्छा, तो वो म्यूजिक बजता रहता. अगर आपका लक है तो कोई 1 घंटे में उठा लेगा. So it's just that there the bandwidth is not there कि वहाँ पे जितने सेल्स पर्सन्स रखे हैं ना ऐसा शायद 4 या 5 रखे होंगे. तो अगर हम बढ़ाएंगे तो लोगों तक हमारी कॉल पहुंचेगी. या
मैम उठाने के बाद ही कहते हैं आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है, फिर उसके बाद से फिर से डिस्कनेक्ट कर देते हैं.
हाँ, ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. हाँ, 1 घंटा रुकने के बाद आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं है and we'll call you back later and वो later आता नहीं है. Call you back shortly.
Ma'am, this one only happen in telecom sector only, na? Right now?
Telecom sector? नहीं मतलब.
Yeah, this one only happen in telecom sector.
I'm talking about service center related to anything. मतलब अभी online का कुछ है या
yeah,
हम.
This service मतलब this type of service.
Yes,
provided
it happen in
by
service
only
center
telecom center only.
Yeah, service center. Yeah, not in the this thing offline or something. Okay, और हम कैसे explain करेंगे customer friendly?
Polite, cheerful.
Yes, polite and cheerful and हाँ और
meeting the needs of the customer.
Excellent, reading the needs of the customer. अगर मैं as a person आई हूँ shop में, if I come, so I have told you that I want to buy a pink silk kurta or pink kurta or something. You being the customer sales representative, मैंने भले pink kurta बोला, whatever I want this particular, मतलब मुझे cotton में चाहिए या इसमें चाहिए कोई और इसमें चाहिए, but you being the excellent sales representative, you show me ये इतने सारे choices है pink में, आप देखो आपको क्या है करके. तो वैसा so that I understand, because मेरे पास तो इतना मुझे नहीं पता उधर क्या क्या है, but आप लोग को पता है कि वहाँ पे क्या क्या है. So the way you explain the customer, the way you make them comfortable, the way you give them the knowledge कि ये new products है, ये discounts है, so that's it. Yeah, anything else?
Sometimes rather than putting your things, listening to the customer, whether what's his or her preferences, and one of the best retailer is someone who can, you know, judge and you who can read the customer's mind. Yes, he or she wants this, and this is the best suited thing. Whether
Yeah.
it's variety, whether it's trend, or what affordability or quality wise.
Perfect. Yes. So giving the customer what suits them the best, right? In terms of offer हुआ, color हुआ. Even sometimes some customer may ask you how is it looking. So give a genuine reply. ऐसा नहीं कि sales होना है करके आप ये करो. So when you're genuine, the customer also comes back to you. Yeah. Last time you were also there. So I am a person whenever I go to shop. So I make sure if there is a sales representative whom I have connected, every time I want that person only. That's what makes me go again and again. That only for one reason about that service. Okay. Anything else before we move?
Leaving a good memory
Yes, ma'am.
on customer.
Sorry.
Leaving a good memory on customer.
Very good. Yes. Feeding a good memory. Yes. Giving a very good memory.
Guiding them through the shopping and billing process.
Yes. Even the billing process. Yeah.
Ma'am, overall satisfying experience from entering the store to leaving.
Yes, you
Ma'am,
nailed it.
identify the customer behavior and selling according to the customers.
Yes, definitely. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
make
अगर
understanding
purchasing
with customer.
Sorry, purchasing with customer मतलब hello.
हम कस्टमर को परचेज करने के बाद भी अगर उसे कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है एक्सचेंज आराम से हो जाता है.
Very good.
वो
After
friendly
sales
हो.
service also, no? You're talking about after sales service.
Ma'am, make quick understanding with customer.
Okay, quick connect with the customer, understand फटाफट क्या है, मतलब it can be if customer is very busy और उनके पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है, फटाफट उन्हें दिखा के उनका सारा पेमेंट भी फटाफट करा के help them. Yeah. One last
Yes,
answer.
ma'am, and
Then
make
yeah.
understanding with
relationship building.
Sorry. Yeah, relationship building. Yeah. Okay. Someone else was also saying, I think.
यस मैम, एक पॉइंट मैं ऐड ऑन करना चाहूंगा
Yeah.
कि अभी अब ऑनलाइन मैम अगर आप कुछ भी परचेज करते हो तो अभी चैटबॉट्स आते हैं, तो वो आपको हेल्प करते हैं गाइड करने में कि हाँ आप ऐसे कर सकते हो, आपको लिए बेस्ट रहेगा, तो ये एक ऑप्शन हो सकता है.
Very nice. Yes. Ye chat boxes have also made our life easier. Matlab, I think there are some.
I want to say.
Yeah. Please tell.
At the time of salesman जो होता है वो पूरी तरह से फीडबैक नहीं बताता जो पहले कस्टमर है. जैसे कि लास्ट टाइम मैंने एक लैपटॉप खरीदा था ये विजय सेल से.
ओके.
उन्होंने सही से बताया नहीं, फीडबैक नहीं बताया था लैपटॉप का. फिर बाद में हमें पता चला जब उसके कैमरा में प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी तब.
ओके.
उन्होंने फिर तब बताया कि इसके जो जितने भी मॉडल हैं उसमें से हर मॉडल में इसी की कमी आती है कैमरे की. अब तब से मैं इसे 2-3 बार सही करवा चुका हूँ, तो मेरे को नुकसान नहीं हुआ ऐसे खरीद के. उन्होंने मेरे को ट्रूथ नहीं बताई थी.
Okay, so incomplete product knowledge is not done. That is not customer friendly, right? Yeah. Yes, definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I was trying to say the chat box thing. अगर हम कुछ लोगों ने ये किया, अगर for example आपको कोई product ID प्रोडक्ट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है something, तो अभी सब काफी वेबसाइट्स ने वो चैट बॉक्स डाला है.
ज्यादातर आजकल होता क्या, अगर मतलब कि जो आप जो कॉल करते हो, अभी जो अपना एग्जांपल देता है कि कस्टमर सर्विस बिजी होता है, तो rather than प्रेफर करते कि हम चैटबॉट से बात कर ले, वो हमें गाइड कर देगा. तो
एग्जैक्टली या तो उधर आपने अपना ये ऑर्डर आईडी डाल लिया तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो कब तक आएगा या क्या है, मतलब पूरा आपको डिटेल्स उधर ही मिल जाएगा. इट विल बी डिलीवर्ड, क्योंकि ज्यादातर तो हम वही मतलब कब आएगा क्या है उसका स्टेटस यही जानने के लिए कॉल करते हैं, राइट? सो इट डायरेक्टली हेल्प्स अस. या
मैम, in e-commerce reviews are also very helpful to buy any product.
Reviews are very helpful because अगर आप Amazon लो, Flipkart, मतलब आजकल तो हर कोई कस्टमर रिव्यू मांग रहा है. So क्यों रिव्यूज आर हेल्पफुल? बिकॉज ये कंपनी बोल रही है तुम हमें मत बिलीव करो, डोंट बिलीव अस बट बिलीव द कस्टमर. कस्टमर भी आप लोगों की तरह ही है. तो कस्टमर जब रिव्यू लिखते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली दूसरे कस्टमर उन्हें बिलीव करते हैं क्योंकि वो भी एक कस्टमर है. तो इनडायरेक्टली Amazon बोल रही है कि हम नहीं बोल रहे, देखो बाकी कस्टमर्स बोल रहे हैं. So that's why it's like a testimonial types of कि मतलब आप देखो, मतलब पहले देखो इन्होंने इस्तेमाल किया है तो और अच्छा निकला है तो आप भी ले सकते हो. Yeah.
Ma'am, they are sharing their experience of purchase, ma'am.
Yeah, they're sharing the experience of purchase. Yes, matlab it's a kudos to matlab Indian audience. Like everyone I've seen, matlab मैं
Whether
भी
it's
कुछ भी खरीदूं, so they tell everything, quality से लेके उसके pricing से लेके मतलब इतने अच्छे से उसका फोटो लेके मतलब seriously a great job. मतलब it really helps कि मतलब हमें खरीदना चाहिए या नहीं. Yeah, you were trying to say something. Okay, all are done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ये तो हमने कुछ perceptions देखे almost all covered. Anyone else want to say अभी जिन्होंने बोला मैक्स उनके घर के पास ही I'm sure they might be going so much. कुछ और आप बोलना चाहोगे मतलब आप भी तो एक कस्टमर ही हो.
Max
आप
is
लोग
just
कभी
we say that it's a value store, ma'am.
value store मतलब you will
Yeah.
explain to the class value store मतलब
Ma'am, it's comfortable for economy people like they can affordable for economy people like that.
He means to say it's budget friendly.
budget
Budget
friendly.
friendly. Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
right.
pocket friendly. Okay. Yeah, Kishan, please tell. Yes, wait, yeah. Perfect.
हेलो
Yes.
मैम, ये
Yeah.
कैसे जाने कि ये कस्टमर कैसा इमेज है, कंपनी का कैसा इमेज.
सॉरी कस्टमर आपका वॉइस कट रहा है थोड़ा बोलिए. हेलो.
कंपनी का इमेज कैसा है कस्टमर के नजर में, कैसे पता करें.
अच्छा कैसे पता करें, यही सवाल मुझे आपके था. तो ये जो मैंने ढूंढे हैं ये गूगल से ढूंढे, रिव्यूज ढूंढे, वेबसाइट्स ढूंढे अलग अलग. हेलो
Ma'am,
I'm
billing
carrying of
facility is also good in Max.
सॉरी रिपीट.
Ma'am, billing facility. It is
Billing
fast,
facility, yeah.
yes, ma'am, and number of billing counters. So
वेरी गुड. यस, बिलिंग फैसिलिटीज आल्सो मतलब फास्टर चेकआउट होता है, राइट?
Ma'am, this is Sarthak
yes,
here.
ma'am.
या सार्थक गो.
Ma'am, they are providing own label merchandise. Like,
Private labels
own
only.
brands
Yes,
and-
yes,
yeah,
private brands, and
designers
they are
and-
also very good, right? Private labels.
they are very good.
Yeah.
I think they are only
Ma'am,
providing
carrying of
own labels.
Own
India.
labels.
No.
Okay. No,
No,
they
there's
have
a lot of companies.
lots of brands are there. Yeah, private भी है और बाकी brands भी है. हाँ.
But
Yeah,
mostly,
please.
most of them are private.
No. They
Ma'am,
are
carrying
there
of
are lot
hygiene.
companies, they are providing their own label products.
Okay. Yeah. So they have other brands as well. They have own private also. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ private है. So they have other brands also. Yeah, hygiene. So safety बहुत अच्छा maintained है. Safety and cleaning, right? Someone said hygiene.
Yes, ma'am. Taking care of hygiene.
Okay. Anything else?
They provide a vibrant atmosphere.
Sorry. Okay. Lovely atmosphere. मतलब shopping करो तो एकदम मजा आता है. ऐसे नहीं कि एकदम ऐसा एकदम sound हो, मतलब इतना chaos हो.
At
Yeah, they put a
the
light
at the
music.
point of checkout, they are you can show when you are waiting. Then you can check. There is one more section, ma'am. I forget the name. At the time of checkout, ma'am.
Exactly.
I forget.
At the time of checkout, I think there is accessories या कुछ ऐसा है
No,
ना?
not accessories. There is another section.
Customer feedback.
No,
Yes,
no.
I was going to say that. कि customer feedback they take from every customer. Yeah.
Impulse. You can say impulse.
Ma'am, good stock is
Ma'am,
also important.
in today's time, we are seeing that offers, which how much offers the company is giving and all.
Okay, so when you
every
enter only
different
उधर
types of offers.
40% discounts and सब कुछ मतलब offers चलते रहते हैं ना उधर.
Every year,
Yeah,
ma'am,
yeah.
every month.
Every month. Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every
fine.
month they are changing their offers.
Okay, every month they are changing the offers. Okay.
Loyalty
So-
programs, ma'am.
Loyalty programs, very nice.
Ma'am.
Yeah, CRM. Ma'am. They are using.
But ma'am, in all the different offers are there.
Yeah, perception of the company. Yeah.
Ma'am,
The same
Ashutosh
thing
this
I'm
side.
asking. So what I was asking students that ये लोग ने तो ये कुछ these are the customers here. You're also the customer, right? So आपका perception पूछ रही थी. तो आप लोग भी तो customer ही हुए ना, क्योंकि आप लोग भी Max use करते हो. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much for so many answers. Let's move ahead.
Ma'am,
Okay. हाँ, yeah.
एक लास्ट. मैम,
Yeah,
एक जो कॉल करके दोबारा एक्सपीरियंस पूछते हैं फीडबैक के लिए,
Oh, lovely यार. Bang on. Yes, that makes you feel special, right? मुझे इतना
Yes.
importance दिया. Thank you, thank you. Yes, definitely. So Max is really doing a great job. So I can see you all are
Yeah.
very happy Max users or loyal users. Nice. Okay. So now moving ahead, before I go to the next slide, now I want you to tell me who are the competitors यार. इनके competitors कौन हुए यार? भले इनका इतना inexpensive है, इतने varieties है, but still इनके इतने competitors है. Let's have
In
few.
Gulf countries or in India, ma'am?
India.
And Black
24/7.
या overall ही पकड़ लो. कोई
Pantaloons.
No, no, Pantaloons.
Okay.
H&M.
Pantaloons.
Ma'am, Shopper Stop is the big, ma'am,
Lulu Mall in
competitor.
Kerala.
Reliance.
One by one. Shopper Stop.
Trend.
Next.
Reliance Trend.
Lifestyle.
Reliance Trends. Okay.
Lifestyle.
Trend and
Lifestyle.
24/7.
Actually
24/7.
लाइफस्टाइल ना वो भी लैंडमार्क ग्रुप का ही है, तो दोनों ऐसे बाई वैन
Ma'am,
टाइप
in Lucknow, in Lucknow, there is a Lucknow Central.
ओके सेंट्रल या डेफिनेटली
Fashion Big Bazaar.
Reliance
फैशन
Mall.
बिग बाजार
Kolkata
एचबीबी
Bazaar.
ओके या
Kolkata Bazaar.
एचएनएम और
Zara. Ma'am, Zara.
Zara की
Mark
Yeah.
and
Zara is more of a luxurious brand.
या Zara
No,
is a
no,
luxurious brand.
They are not budget.
No, okay, but
Kolkata Bazaar.
Okay,
H&M
let me explain
Ma'am, Lulu Mall in
competitor का
Kerala.
मतलब. Competitor मतलब
Decathlon.
Decathlon कैसे?
It is completely different thing, man.
या Decathlon is into sports, right?
Ma'am 24/7. Kolkata Bazaar.
सब कुछ मिलता है मैम.
Hello, sorry.
मैम सब कुछ मिलता है वहाँ पर.
Decathlon में I thought it was more on the sports मतलब men's category.
सब कुछ आपको अवेलेबल है.
Kolkata
सब कुछ.
Bazaar.
West side we can take an example.
Yeah, west side, right. So let me tell you students, competitors मतलब क्या? ये सेम ही सेगमेंट में मतलब एकदम लाइक इतना मतलब क्या बोलते हैं यही सेम ये क्लोथिंग अपैरल एक्सेसरीज हो उनके पास एंड इतना ही मतलब कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव भी उसी टाइप हो ऐसे डिस्काउंट्स हो मतलब इन द सेम स्पेस इटसेल्फ हु आर द कॉम्पिटिटर्स दैट वाज माय क्वेश्चन सो you all are right matlab let's see I have identified the top competitors let's go there so Shopper Stop, Central, Pantaloons, Reliance Trends, West Side and Brand Factory. You agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसके अलावा भी जो आप लोगों ने बोला वो भी ले सकते हैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है I've just taken top 6 so there's no problem that you want to add few more you can definitely take but अगर आप देखो तो Shopper Stop example I'm just picking one Shopper Stop में भी men's boys ladies girls सब कुछ है accessories भी है and ये apparels भी है right
Yeah, ma'am, they have lots of accessories.
sorry
They have lots of varieties, ma'am. Shopper Stop.
yeah so Shopper Stop is that and then Central then Pantaloons Reliance Trends West Side Brand Factory so they are of the similar kind मतलब even मतलब ये लोग भी they are competing in the price right Brand Factory definitely competes right हेलो
Yes.
आप लोग ब्रांड फैक्ट्री गए हो 365 डेज उसमें डिस्काउंट ऑफर्स कुछ चलता है
उसमें मैम EDL पे चलता है.
सॉरी
मैम उसमें EDL पे चलता है. एवरीडे लो प्राइसिंग.
या एवरीडे लो प्राइसिंग या डेफिनेटली हेलो
Hello.
But
Yeah.
there's low.
there is what sorry hello someone want to tell something hello
Hello, ma'am.
yeah tell
Nothing.
hello okay so these are the competitors I again repeat Shopper Stop Central Pantaloons Reliance Trends West Side Brand Factory so अगर हम इनमें से कहीं पे भी जाए the same type we have so many मतलब clothing section apparel section accessories section and their pricing is also good so they are the competitors for my Max group right apart from that इसके अलावा भी आप लोगों ने कुछ नाम लिया so they can also come so these are the top 6 which I identified you can add more there's no problem at all someone wants to add something else you're free to do so hello Okay, so let's go ahead. सब मुझसे सहमत है ये competitors है? So Max से Max
ma'am.
twins से
Yes,
बस
ma'am.
कहना
Right, right. You are right, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
You are right, ma'am.
So let's now go to the last part of this, that is future prospects. So future prospects of this company is that they are planning to open more 500 stores, okay, more 500 stores by 2022, okay, and they are planning to double their turnover to 5,000 crore, okay, and they are also planning उनका जो kids category है उसमें और varieties लाने के लिए plans to boost the more kids category more and create revenue around this kids category itself. So kids category से ही वो 7,000 crore कमाना चाहते हैं. Yeah. So that was the future prospects. आप लोग को कुछ बोलना है ये future prospects के ऊपर, मतलब what Max is doing. Anything anyone wants to add? We can add. Otherwise we go to the next company.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So all are clear with Max Group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yes,
one
ma'am.
simple question. All are enjoying ना? ऐसे नहीं ना सुबह सुबह यार नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
तो Saturday है नहीं ना?
No,
You are
ma'am.
enjoying, right?
No,
We'll go
ma'am.
ahead.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we go ahead with the next one. So this is so ये हमारा departmental store वाला था, right? So अभी next हम जा रहे हैं for the grocery thing. Okay, आप में से कितने लोगों ने ये visit किया Spencer's Retail? Guys, have you gone to Spencer?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so कोई कुछ कहना चाहेगा Spencer's के बारे में before I start?
I very well know.
Okay, you very well know. बोलिए क्या है Spencer?
Spencer is a supermarket.
Ma'am, all variety
Super
of
and
groceries
hypermarket
are
both, ma'am.
Super and hypermarket. Okay, so would you like to explain what is super and hypermarket to everyone?
They are selling, ma'am, FMCG.
FMCG, okay. Fast moving to consumable goods, okay.
Yeah. And grocery, ma'am, is means they are in the hypermarket. They are selling HHH, heavy household, LHH, light household,
Oh,
like
okay.
that for DPH.
Okay.
All that section they are providing.
Okay. किसी और को कोई anyone wants to tell? Have you all मतलब any people मतलब most of your people have visited Spencer's Retail? क्या feeling था? क्या है वो? कैसा था? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
They also value store, ma'am.
Value.
किसने शॉपिंग की है उसे?
Sorry, repeat.
Spencer Retail में.
Sorry, Spencer Retail में क्या? Students, I'm not able to hear. Have you visited Spencer's Retail? I repeat, आप लोग में से कोई गए हैं Spencer's Retail?
We have, yes.
No,
Never,
ma'am.
never. Okay.
No, ma'am.
जिसने yes बोला है, can I get an answer?
No, ma'am.
Yes, yeah, Spencer.
Yes,
it has
ma'am.
its own brands in clothings and mainly I go Spencer's for grocery products like like not daily but weekly I go.
Okay, okay. So people who have not visited Spencer, I would request मतलब जब भी आपको कभी time मिले आपके सामने से कभी गया हो या something, so do visit. It's a one-stop hub. Okay. So जो लोग गए हैं वो लोग agree करेंगे एक सारी चीजें एक ही जगह पे मिलेगी इतनी चीजें है, right?
Ma'am, I haven't visited, but related to the Z business and related, I have heard about this. Last week only, I have heard about this Spencer's Retail.
Okay.
They are doing good, but due to this Q4 session, they may have some consolidated loss. Whether it's due to some complaints or what you say, but their performance is getting down.
Yes, and they
This
also
year.
have very few brands.
Yeah.
They have their own house brand, which is not so good. That is too expensive and not good at all.
Yeah,
Only few brands
they
are
have
there.
they have their in-house brands. Yes, yes. Anyone else who wants to tell something about Spencer's Retail? So और किसी ने visit किया or something?
No, ma'am.
पक्का मतलब Spencer's बहुत कम गए हैं सब लोग.
Categorized in departmental store, na? Or
Sorry,
other?
No, it's a super and hypermarket.
Yeah, it's a super and hypermarket, mostly for grocery and everything. Okay, so without any further delay, well, let's see what is Spencer's retail. And अगर आप लोग में से किसी को भी मौका मिलता है तो once you can visit. It's a really one-stop hub, one-stop solution for so many things. It's so huge and really, मतलब you get so many stuff. मतलब इतने choices, इतने varieties. So you can let's just see what is Spencer retail. So Spencer's
in
retail.
Delhi, where it is located?
Sorry.
In Delhi, where it is located?
I am not sure, but I'll get back to you. Sure. So Delhi में कहाँ
Ma'am,
है?
just
Search on Google. It's
me, ma'am.
there.
Search on
With the
Google Map.
Sorry.
Yeah, I will do it.
हाँ, hello. Okay. Someone was saying something, or shall I proceed? Hello.
Ma'am,
yeah, ma'am.
these
Carry on,
Spencers, they have limited presence in India.
They have limited what?
Limited presence in India. I think they don't have much of the outlets. In my area,
Yeah.
I haven't visited any of the outlets.
Okay, yeah. So they don't have so many outlets. Let's see how many outlets they have, right? So Spencer's Retail Limited was the part of RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. It's a multi-format retail providing a wide range of quality products across category: food, personal care, fashion, home essential, electrical, and electronics to its key consumers. So Spencer being one of the earliest entrants, so as you all said, into retail space, मतलब तभी hypermarket, supermarket का इतना concept नहीं था 2000 के era में. अभी तो बहुत malls वगैरह सब आए हैं, but Spencer being one of the earliest entrants, so it was one of the first one to enter in this particular segment. That is, first ever hypermarket in India was launched by Spencer in Hyderabad. So just I repeat again, the first ever hypermarket, the first hypermarket in India was launched by Spencer's, okay, in 2000. And today Spencer's runs 120 stores, including 37 hyper stores in over 35 cities in India. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं है उनका stores, they are there, but you need to, मतलब they are more into metropolitan cities जहाँ पे बहुत जगह है, because these stores are very very huge. मतलब I think there's in Mumbai, there's in Bangalore, I've seen in Chennai also, there Hyderabad also. So
it's available in Lucknow also, ma'am.
Okay, Lucknow also, yeah. So you can see over 35 cities in India. So but yeah, ये बहुत बड़ा है. ऐसा नहीं कि हर गली में ऐसा मिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. जैसे अगर हम कोई और ले ले, जैसे कि ये मतलब Reliance Fresh या ऐसा कुछ जो बहुत ही कॉमन है, हर जगह दिख सकता है, तो इनका ऐसा इतना ज्यादा नहीं है, बट ये लोग भी present है. And it's a really good, मतलब it's really good to show one-stop solution. You can just check once, it has everything like. And Spencer's brand positioning कैसा है? उनका जो tagline है, makes fine living affordable. मतलब a very good quality products at a very reasonable price उनका ये है, okay? So they like to delight their shoppers with the best products and best services at reasonable prices, okay? Now next, so इनका product line क्या है? So they have huge range of products, okay? And they are divided into food, personal care, home, electronics, and electrical clothing. So food में fruits, staples, beverages, processed food, dairy, non-veg products, spices, organic products, diet foods, pet foods, baby products, dry fruits, and even some imported foods जिसमें वो Chinese और अलग-अलग Mexican या अलग-अलग मतलब एक expensive range of food products हैं उनका. Personal care also they have beauty, skin care, hair care, oral care, baby care, men's grooming product, women's grooming product, and personal hygiene. So many things they have. Home decor also they keep, okay? Home का भी जो भी है. So they have home decor, they have home furnishing, bathroom essential, kitchen, dining, travel needs, toys, party needs, मतलब party के decoration items भी है. Coming to the electronics, they have home appliances, kitchen appliances, electrical fittings, accessories, digital equipment and accessories, and उतना ही नहीं, 2BME is their clothing line. जैसे FBB वाला part है, मतलब big bazaar में, वैसे इनका 2BME जहाँ पे clothes है, men, women, kids, all categories, उसमें भी बहुत varieties है. So just imagine इतने सारे items at one stop, मतलब food भी है, personal care भी है, home भी है, electronics भी है. So it's a very huge shop, okay? So if you get an ever chance, just visit once to just see how huge it is and what are the kinds of offers going on, how they manage. It's really developed. It's very very huge. Okay, moving next, perception of the company. Okay, so perception of the company, like as we saw again in the Google review and all, so people say it's value for money. Okay, how much of a money they are paying, that more than that, very very good quality products they are getting, good ambience. Okay, since it is very huge, itne log aate hain, but still very nicely, matlab uska when you go into the infrastructure and such, it's very very nicely kept. Uska racking system hai jo even products जिस तरह रखा है, and when you go also you really feel welcomed and very nice. It's really very good setting. Variety, there are loads and loads and loads of varieties available there. मतलब इतनी सारी चीजें एक ही जगह पे, but ऐसा नहीं कि इतने items रखे तो varieties में कम है. There are so many brands, so many choices you can get in particular thing, and you will be tired, but उनकी varieties खत्म नहीं होंगी. Next, exciting offers and discounts. So they have lots of offers and discounts going on, and they always have something or the other, buy one get one, या कुछ ना कुछ उनका अलग अलग चलता रहता है हर महीने. जैसे आप लोगों ने ये उसके लिए मैक्स के लिए बोला. So they have lots of different types. मतलब दिवाली का है, क्रिसमस का, मतलब अलग अलग इस पे फेस्टिवल्स पे भी चलता रहता है. And very good quality they have, quality products they have. So ऐसा नहीं है कि प्राइसिंग कम है या मतलब अफोर्डेबल है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि प्रोडक्ट अच्छे नहीं है. एंड रियली ग्रेट कस्टमर सर्विस. सो द people there are very good. They greet the customers very well, and it's मतलब they really मतलब अच्छे से उनका ध्यान रखते हैं. Okay, so this was the perception of the company. So now आप लोग में से भी कुछ लोग, जितने भी गिने चुने लोग हैं जो लोग गए हो, आप लोग कुछ ऐड ऑन करना चाहेंगे आपका एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा, because people have not visited Spencer. The ones who have visited, can you tell little bit more if you don't mind?
I think it's good for food, and I get really fresh food daily. Like it's, you can go for bread, fresh breads and fresh milk products.
Oh, lovely. So हमें बहुत ही ताजा मिलता है.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And how was your experience? बहुत बड़ा है, right? मतलब since people have not visited, can you just tell थोड़ा? मतलब I have visited once or twice. You can tell the class how is it?
It's a huge, it's a huge place, and one thing I can say that that 2BME brands they have, which is
clothing brands,
clothing brands, and mostly they keep all the brands like Reliance products also they keep.
Okay. So they keep all the brands, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि उनका in-house ही है, but
in clothing they only put 2BME mostly, not other brands, but in food so they have varieties of brands.
Okay. Thank you so much. Who is this?
Vishal.
Yeah, Vishal, thank you so much for sharing. And what is your perception of the company? अगर आपको बोला जाए कि आप क्या सोचते हो Spencer's Retail के बारे में?
It's a good store for daily use. Means daily use. It's a good store.
Good store for daily use. So you will be happy to go even daily, मतलब अच्छा लगता है.
Daily, yes. To get fresh foods. Yeah. Daily.
Fresh foods. Okay. Thank you so much. So daily routine product ke liye it's good. Okay. Anyone else who has visited would like to tell something?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Who is this?
I'm Nayak Pradeep here.
Yeah, Pradeep. Please tell.
I just want to know this Marks and Spencer and this Spencer both are different, you know?
Yeah, they are definitely different. Marks and Spencer तो पूरा fashion brand है. That's they are into clothing and everything. This is a hypermarket, supermarket, as you are saying, grocery terms.
Grocery, okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no matter. Anything else? Guys,
ma'am, now Spencer is dealing with e-commerce also, right? Na?
Yeah. They have their app also. Yes, they have their app. So just after this session, ऐसे ही मतलब आप लोग के पास सबके पास Play Store तो होगा ही. So you can download their app and see कि सच में कैसा cost effective है and all. And if you don't like it, you can delete it. So just to see products and all. अगर आप लोग ने visit नहीं किया store, so just a idea. Yeah, anyone else who has gone to Spencer and would like to tell something? Guys, एक और दो लोगों ने बोला था ना हम स्पेंसर गए हैं जो लखनऊ वाले थे या समथिंग. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, मैं तौसीफ अहमद.
Yeah, Taushif, yeah, please say.
Yeah, I go a lot of times,
You
but
go lot of
just
times?
only go for a daily use to purchase daily products.
अच्छा, purchase
Like
daily products.
yeah.
So
Like
what's your
sauces.
experience? आपका क्या perception है?
It's good, ma'am. It's good. It's good for daily use
Okay,
items.
अगर आप मतलब आपके इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हमें ज्वाइन इन हुए, अगर आप उन लोगों को सजेशन देंगे स्पेंसर्स के बारे में, so what it would be? What is your
First they go and purchase. There he will get a discounted item also. Time to
Okay,
time they are
discounts,
selling a lot of items on discount, where
Okay.
they can buy like detergent powders and cosmetic items, and lot of items are on discounted.
Okay. Anything जो मैंने स्लाइड पे लिखा है, बट आप कुछ और ऐड करना चाहोगे उस पे? Or I've covered everything. Kaushik,
Yes, ma'am.
would you like to add something else, or I've covered everything? Perception of the company में कोई और point डालना चाहोगे?
Ma'am, it's a customer friendly also, ma'am. The dispenser is customer friendly and customer experience. They are working on customer experience, customer behavior.
Okay.
That what the customer want. If the customer is not able to came their store, they can deliver at their home, at their doorstep also.
Yeah,
Whatever
have
they
their
want.
app. Yeah.
Just only one click. The item is on their door.
Okay.
They are
Okay.
providing that type of service also. Same like Big Bazaar or Big Basket and
Yeah, they have their app.
Grofer.
Yeah.
They also, that is the good thing for Spencer.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, any one of you have visited Nature's Basket? Nature's Basket?
It's a Bangalore store, no? Right?
Yeah, it's a Bangalore store. Yeah.
Yeah,
so,
I know.
Spencer and Nature Basket दोनों का ये मतलब क्या है?
It's a Godrej company, right? No?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it very well.
Okay, fine. So moving ahead, now the next question for all of you. कौन इसके competitors होंगे भाई? इतना ज़्यादा मतलब बड़ा है, इतना सब कुछ है and everything. Then who will be the competitors?
The first one
Big
is
Bazaar. Big Bazaar.
Reliance.
First of all, Big
Bazaar,
Bazaar.
yes. Yeah.
Reliance
Then
D-Mart,
Reliance Smart,
24/7, 24/7,
D-Mart, yeah.
24/7.
Okay.
Chroma.
And there's one or upcoming supermarket, C-Mart. One more
D-Mart,
upcoming.
E-com
and
Express.
Star Bazaar.
E-commerce, sorry dear, what you're trying to... Star Bazaar, right? Hello? Yeah.
Star
Has
Bazaar.
anyone heard about Spar?
Yeah,
Spar
Spar is also very good. Yes, Spar, yeah. You want to tell something about Spar? Tell.
They are in Delhi NCR.
It's similar like this is Spencer's, but that is more
Ma'am,
human.
Walmart.
Spar, S-P-A-R.
Spar is
Yes,
in
yes.
Mass also.
Sorry?
Walmart, ma'am. Walmart.
Walmart. Oh, very good.
GS
Yeah.
Mart.
Number one hypermarket.
Okay, so आप Walmart गए हो कभी?
Lulu. Yeah, I know. Lulu hypermarket.
Lulu hypermarket.
Upcoming in Trivandrum, ma'am. It's a big one.
Okay.
Now Lulu is upcoming in Lucknow also, ma'am.
Okay.
It's a big hypermarket, Lulu.
Okay,
Same
big
like
Yeah, UAE based.
Carrefour. Same
In
like
Dwarka.
Carrefour.
Okay. Anything else?
In Sector 14, in Sector 14,
Yeah.
Dwarka, Spar,
sorry.
Lifestyle, Pantaloon are also.
Lifestyle pantaloons.
No,
I'm
no,
talking about
and
this particular
Spar.
supermarket. Huh?
Spar is also
Ma'am,
in
in
Sector
Big
14.
Bazaar is the
Sorry, one by one. Yeah. Hello.
top five, ma'am. Ma'am, competitor are Big Bazaar, D-Mart,
Yeah.
Reliance Fresh,
Yeah.
and
WSP India.
Which one? Sorry, who was saying something?
Grofer and
Yeah,
Big
Grofers we have.
Basket. Grofer and Big Basket.
Okay.
All are 5 top competitors, I think.
Grofers are, I think, e-commerce.
It is e-commerce,
Yeah,
but
Grofers is
doesn't
an
matter.
online
They are
one. Yeah,
capturing their
Grofers का
customers,
shop नहीं.
but
Yeah.
they are capturing their customers.
Okay. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, sorry. एक और कौन सा? Sorry, आप थोड़ा loudly बोलिए. Hello.
Purans.
Yeah. कौन सा?
Udan is a wholesaler. Is a wholesaler, not a retailer. Udan is a wholesaler.
Okay, I couldn't
No.
hear.
Udan.
Yeah.
Is a wholesaler, ma'am, not a retailer, ma'am.
Yeah. No. I was also going to say. Okay. So it's a
Hello,
wholesaler.
there is one more option. Hello.
Yeah. Please tell. Who is this?
Sonika this side.
Yeah, Sonika. Please tell.
Best price is more option.
Best price. Huh. One more option for perception of the company, you're trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Sonika. So now we have you all have answered. Let's see the top competitors. So Big Bazaar, DMart, Star Bazaar, Hypercity, Reliance Fresh, more retail, and you all were right. Spar bhi aata hai, Reliance Smart bhi aata hai. Okay. So I've just taken top 6. So Spar, Reliance, so top 10 mein. Yeah, JioMart bhi. Yes. JioMart.
Vishal Mega Mart.
Vishal Mega Mart. Is it so big? I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Vishal Mega Mart is big.
Yeah. Then it can come. See, basically, competitors are those which have the products in the same range and they're offering the services in the same type. Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
But JioMart is on e-commerce basis only, na?
JioMart abhi matlab.
I think so.
Yes, for now it is on.
Ma'am, but the customer is same, na? Whether they are selling e-commerce or they are selling their store. But the customer is
they
same.
are the competitors. Yeah, Big Basket bhi you can tell. They are the competitors. Customer same hai, yeah. So they are pulling online. Yeah, please tell. Someone was telling. Hello? A girl was answering. Hello? Okay. So anyone else wants to add something on the competitors list part?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Hello,
Yeah, tell.
ma'am. In Vegas Mall,
Yeah.
there are 4 brand: Pantaloon, Lifestyle, Spar, and Reliance also.
Okay.
So, मैम ये चारों कॉम्पिटिटर है तो कस्टमर के लिए काफी कंफ्यूजन नहीं हो जाता होगा एक ही मॉल में है
होगा बट ऐसा वहां पे कैसे बिकॉज़ देयर आर सो मेनी ब्रांड्स
इस कंडीशन में मैम इस कंडीशन में कस्टमर को ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव कैसे करेगा कॉम्पिटिटर
That is the main thing that we are using the strategies.
Yeah, the strategies and also customer का previous experience. If I am a person who loves Pantaloon, उसके आगे कुछ भी हो, I'll go to Pantaloon. Like for example, I always go to Lifestyle because I like Lifestyle. जबकि
It depend on the store that how they are giving their experience to customers.
Definitely. So how they give
Just depend on the
customer salesperson, the product, the variety, and how the ambience and everything. The discounts.
Lots of advertisement also.
Yeah, advertisements also definitely. पता तो चले कि offers चल रहा है ना, so like that.
So ma'am, it's make more competitive.
So it's like sorry.
ये ज्यादा कंपटीशन बढ़ा देता है मैम.
हाँ वो तो है मतलब एक ही बिल्डिंग में इतने लोग हैं तो डेफिनेटली मतलब इट्स अ टफ कंपटीशन. कस्टमर किधर भी जाए किसी एक का तो लूज होने ही वाला है.
That's why they are just focusing on their merchandising, pricing, offers, all that things.
Yeah,
everyone.
Layout also mattered, na?
Yeah, layout
merchandising is also the matter.
Yeah. So अगर ऐसा है कि इतने सारे items है और मैं ढूंढ ही नहीं पाई. I've seen some shops which I've personally gone. मतलब इतने रैक से या इतना ये है ना ही वहाँ पे किसी को रखा है इतना भूल भुलैया है घूम ही जाते कि किधर क्या है करके ना ही कोई लेबलिंग है या समथिंग. It irritates customers. So Layout does matter. Yes. Okay, cool. So, competitors done?
Yeah. Ma'am.
Oh,
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Next. So future prospects. So they are thinking to acquire more companies. Okay. So the profitable growth with acquisitions. Okay. So as someone said ना किसी का तो कि उनका Q4 या कुछ तो someone said कि उनका कुछ down चल रहा है, हाँ चल रहा है. So that's why they are thinking to be profitable with more acquisitions. Okay. Now they want to focus on omni channel. Omni channel मतलब anyone wants to answer what is omni channel?
Ma'am, online platform for the same retail store. They provide the same products on online platform also.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so you both are partially right. Anyone else who wants to answer what is the omni channel?
Ma'am, I think they want to expand in the world.
Go to expand. Okay. Anyone else with another answer?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, no matter. So omni channel is basically that they want to be present online also, offline also. Okay. So the omni channels का मतलब ये है students कि उन्हें हर तरह से अपने जो customers है उनको टैप करना है. जो ऑनलाइन कस्टमर्स है उनको ऑनलाइन टैप करना है और जो फिजिकल स्टोर आते हैं उनको भी टैप करना है. ऐसे नहीं कि एक ही जगह पे वो यूज करें. और उतना ही नहीं, वो सोशल मीडिया ऐप या जितने अलग अलग जगह से वो अपने कस्टमर्स को अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, उनकी तरफ ले सकते हैं. दैट इज omni channel. Okay, so if the shop is only depending on physical, then it is not omni channel. Okay, so omni is having multiple ways so that your customer can reach you. That is called omni channel. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there उनका एक future prospect या उनका ये future idea है. They want to take orders through even phone और WhatsApp. मतलब आप WhatsApp पे just order करो उनके नंबर पे कि ये items दो तो they can deliver. So which is very easy. मतलब ये भी नहीं कि आपको app चाहिए या कुछ. So you can just this is one of the thing they are working. It's not there. So WhatsApp पे directly करो. मतलब it's very easy that you just place an order and you get it. I think a lot of stores have been doing this. मतलब I think कुछ किराना stores ने start किया था pandemic में. ऐसा सिर्फ आप WhatsApp पे नंबर पे आप डालो और
Ma'am, Vishal Mega Mart has started.
Okay, Vishal
also
Mega
as
Mart
well.
has started. Okay, fine. So I think Vishal Mega Mart मतलब मुंबई में मैंने नहीं देखा, so that's why I don't have so much idea. And yeah, and also they are planning to add new payment options, whether in app or whether everywhere or scanning barcode या कुछ. So they are planning कि और कैसे हम easy कर सके payment को, so that customers are very satisfied. Yeah. So that was all about it. So with that, we come to end of the session. So you all want to tell something, then we can take your this thing. So you understood, right, about Max as well as about Spencer's Retail, my students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I got it.
Enjoyed the
Yes,
session?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
We will get.
sorry?
Ma'am, I will look into app.
I will
Yeah,
share this.
please add. Sorry, what you are trying to say? I can't hear you.
Ma'am, this PPT where you will share this.
Bindia?